Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Girl with Goals, and I'm really excited for today's video because I'm traveling after 5 months and we are going to Siaghad where there is a farmhouse called Shivanjali, and the farmhouse is surrounded by the beautiful hills around Siaghad. They have a lot of waterfalls in the vicinity and it's gonna be a very chill staycation there, and they have authentic way of cooking, and there is so much which will take me more close to nature, especially this is needed after all those months of lockdown. And I'm just gonna stop talking and I'm going to take you along to my journey, so stay tuned till the end of this vlog where I leave all the details of my journey. And yeah, let's get into it. We have right now stopped for breakfast and I'm sipping on my chai waiting for pohe, and it's just the beginning of awesome times, so stay tuned till the end of the video. And it's raining so much here, so it is like the best of weathers right now. So we have finally arrived at the farmhouse. It is called Shivanjali, and there are 4 spacious rooms with beds which are already there. Plus they have all facilities like kitchen area, clean washrooms and also fridge. And the best part about this place is this garden where I am right now is just in front of the whole space, and really beautifully maintained. And I think this is my favorite spot of the whole farmhouse, and looking forward to exploring more of all other things which are there here. And it is a beautiful weather out here. So we have stepped out of the house and we are walking towards a nearby waterfall, and in monsoons it's at its full swing, so really excited for it. And stay tuned to see I guess they have multiple waterfalls in the vicinity, so we are gonna visit the most prominent one. So yeah. Heading back home, and we are famished literally, and it was such a fun experience. Like kitne saalon baad I have gone to a waterfall actually, and after the lockdown it is like you start appreciating so many things, and it was such a great thing, and I can't wait to eat now. So let's see what we have in store for us. After looking at that amazing process, we have our chicken thali here, which comprises of arni rasa. Then we have tikhat rasa with chicken and chicken fry, and of course my favorite bhakri. So I'm just gonna take a bite of it, and believe me, the aroma is so good that I can't wait to just take a bite of it. Amazing. So the taste is very different because it's made in a traditional way. You get the flavors of charcoal as well along with the masala, so it's bringing out all the flavors. I'm just taking a bite of the rasa as well. And both these taste really different and still they have amazing balance of flavors. And this is best for kids who don't like to have spicy food, so this is my childhood favorite. Perfect. So when you come here during the monsoons and you're just enjoying this in front of this view, it is taken to a next level. So I'm gonna enjoy my lunch here and let's see what unfolds after this. So guys, after that amazing lunch, we went to see the farms around here, which are owned by the owners of the farmhouse, and we also came across more waterfalls and such a beautiful experience. Right now I'm just chilling on the terrace of the farmhouse, which is right now under construction, but hopefully that it will beautify more. And I guess now we'll just chill around the farmhouse till the sun sets, and we are enjoying the sunset with the amazing view of the mountains. And then we'll wrap up it with our dinner, I guess. So yeah, let's see. So it's almost 7 now, and we are just enjoying this garden view with garma garam kanda bhaji and some chai, and it's the best thing ever. So be sure that if you come here, you're gonna get pampered with so many great things, which is just gonna enhance your experience here. Perfect. It has got very chilly out here right now, and we're just enjoying some bonfire here. And yeah, it is so good, and I think it is the best way to enjoy monsoons right now. So yeah, just gonna enjoy. We're gonna hum some songs, I guess, and that will be our evening to night transition here. Hi guys, so this is the next morning and we are gonna head out now, but the misal here is really good, so we are gonna have an amazing breakfast and then head out. Also, all the details regarding the rates, how you can book, whether they're following all the safety measures, everything is gonna be included in a detailed blog which you can find in the description box below. So do check that out and tell me what is going to be your next destination when you start traveling after the lockdown. And until next time, stay tuned to Girl with Goals.